In this video, I'll show you how data travels across the internet using packets, and how tools like Wireshark let us inspect them. We'll compare unencrypted HTTP traffic and encrypted HTTPS traffic. There are three tools we are going to use, one of which is Wireshark. That's what you're looking at on the screen. The second tool is this website, Never SSL. One thing you are going to see here is that this website is unencrypted. That's why it said not secure. The next one is secure website. This is encrypted. Let's begin. But before we start, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you. Let me start capturing packets. And let us load the unsecured, unencrypted website in order to generate some packets. We have generated some packets. Let us go on and analyze this. HTTP, we can right click on it and follow and TCP stream in order to see how our data is delivered. Here you can see some of this data is clear, so we can read them. What we've got here at the top is the client request. And what we got here in blue is server request. So this is all sending message to the server, and this is what the server sent back to us. Like I said, this is plaintext. We can read it. We could also hide it if we wanted. For example, if I choose raw, here you can see. I want you to take note of this. When we go back to ASCII, you see that we can read this. It is in plain text. Now we are going to try the encrypted website or encrypted data in order to see the difference. Let me close this. Now let us load the encrypted website and generate some traffic. Let me stop it and let us analyze. We can choose one of these and analyze. Let me click on it. Right click it. Follow TCP stream. Now see the difference. When we check the initial one, the unencrypted website, we saw the raw data. But here, look at how this is encrypted. We can't even see or read what is here. We can change this to raw. You see? So if you remember what the first one looked like, now you can see the difference. In summary, packets are always sent across the network. What changes is whether the content inside them is readable or encrypted. HTTP allows us to see everything, while HTTPS protects the data using encryption. We use Wireshark to visualize both, as we just did. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel and to watch the next video in order to see a different way you could analyze these packets. Thank you.